All right, let's take a look at solutions on graphed inequalities. What is this? Let's look. Um, two problems, and this is the kind of thing that a student asked me about this week. She's in Algebra 1, and she just wanted to kind of know, like, how do you do problems like this? So these are not the same as what she asked about, but they are exactly the same idea. So I hope it's helpful to you too. So is 2, 5 a solution of the graph inequality? That's the same question for both, but we have different graphs. You can see that they look different, right? So 2, 5. Let's find that on the coordinate plane. So right 2, up 5, there's 2, 5, and right 2, up 5, there's 2, 5. Okay, so simply understand that the solutions of this inequality are all of the shaded areas. And so any point that's in those shaded area is a solution to the inequality. So anything out here not shaded is not a solution. So we would say that number 13 in this case is a no. And then this 0.25 on number 14, it's close to that line, but even if it was on the line, it would be okay because it's a solid line, and that's another story. But yeah, it's in the shaded part, and so this is a yes. This is a solution to this inequality. It's one of many, but yes, it's a solution. Okay, hope that helps. Let these be the simple ones in the questions that you have in the section.